Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert triple lines arrow in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert triple line arrow in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. We find and select the triple line arrow. Now I select the triple line arrow and draw it. Now we can see here we insert triple line arrow. You can change the triple line arrow color. Click the triple line arrow and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Fill Color and choose any color. And you can use shape style. Click the Style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.